Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Blue Badge Crypto, bringing you another Bitcoin and market update. But listen, if you're not already on the Twitter, get over there at Blue Badge Crypto. That's where you're going to get the most time-sensitive alerts on trends, trading, and analysis in the market. Let's dive into Bitcoin, guys. Starting on the 4-hour chart today. If you're new to the updates, the Twitter, the YouTube, we can backtrack a little bit here. Where over the past couple of days, I was letting y'all know that there is a little bit of hope, some hope for a little bit of bullish momentum here on the lower time frames, guys, where we've essentially been creating this descending level of support and a descending level of resistance, really dating back here nearly to the beginning of April, or here on April 11th when we had our dump down. Okay, and what this has created is some type of formation of a descending wedge pattern. Okay, do y'all see that right here? And what that has also created within this pattern is our consistent lower lows here, okay, in price, where we create low, low, continuous lower lows. But on our oscillators, on our RSI, continuous higher lows, and on our market cipher, continuous higher lows as well. Okay, and what that's created is some type of continuous bullish divergence here. Now, I've been updating all that the past couple of days, and we're potentially getting some type of move here. I'm not too optimistic with it yet, but it does look decent so far, guys. Where this our descending level of support here, or resistance, is now finally being broken here, where it's acted as resistance each and every time. We had some wicking out of it on this 4-hour chart and this one fake out here back on April 21st. But other than that, ever since April 20th, we have failed to have a volume push out of this pattern. And if we zoom out here, you can see that we now have that with, consistent 3, green candles right here in our first 4-hour candle closing out. And we are working on our next 4-hour candle closing outside of here as well. And you can see if we zoom in on price action down here and we get down to a 30-minute chart, you can see how we worked our way up in this, very low time frame, this 30-minute chart pattern, where we, kind of worked our way up the stairs here, created this ascending level of support, broke down from it, back tested it as resistance right here. Do y'all see that, where we fell down with volume, back tested as resistance right there, fell down to our support level that I had marked for y'all, and are now pushing back out of this potential larger 4-hour descending wedge. Okay, so what we would ultimately be looking here for is to now back test this level as support, hold that level as a key level of support, and that's where we could see continuation. And this is just a zoomed in look at what that would look like right on the 4-hour chart. That's gonna be a little bit different here, but on that zoomed in look, that's what we would essentially be looking for. And then we would be looking to come and tackle these levels. Okay, that we've already wicked up to this minor level right here that I had marked fill at approximately 39.2, just a hair around 39.2 right there. And our next level would be right here. This is another minor level, and that's at about 39.9 right there, guys. So that's something to be looking out for. And it would just be kind of working our way up the stairs, and our next level would be that major red line at 40765, guys. So ultimately we could hold this descending pattern as support for the bullish case and get back above these minor levels and just kind of work our way through here, guys. Okay, it's not going to just be a straight shot up, right? It'd be working our way kind of through these levels, right? Trying to hold these minor levels as support. Okay, and we get back above these and we do, some type of up and down through these levels, right? It's just not going to be some straight shot up. So work our way through these levels and try and start tackling these minor and major levels that are acting as resistance to us right now, guys. But like I said, on a maximum level, what I would think that we could come up to on these lower time frames is push that 43K level. If we do get, some bullish momentum here, that's kind of that max level that I would be looking for, is pushing right about 43K. And I've been letting y'all know that. And you can also take a technical target from where this pattern actually began here, guys. Okay, so we found our descending level of support, and this finally became a pattern where we got a touch here, and this didn't start as a pattern until we had this touch here, where now that is actually our support, and that is now our resistance. So we would take from our straight line from that level down to right here, and that would be there. And we clone that, and you go to your point of break, and that would have a technical target at approximately 42,4 and that's right in confluence with what I was just telling y'all, that we could potentially at a maximum push that 43K level, kind of start pushing towards that. And again, that would also be right here in confluence with where these previous highs were at as well, guys. So again, if we do see some bullish momentum here on the lower time frames, that's the max level I would expect us to get to. If we get higher than that, then on a macro scale, we're starting to flip bullish. If we start getting above that 43K level and having daily closes above that, we're kind of starting to flip a little bit macro bullish there. So that's the maximum level I'd be looking for. But a lot of people are, there's a lot of swirling around about the Fed meeting today. So there's probably going to be some volatility incoming, whether that be bullish or bearish here, guys. But that's kind of our bullish case here. Get above these minor levels, right? These are going to be acting as resistance here. Obviously our major level at 40765 is going to be acting as resistance. So we have a lot of work ahead of us, guys. This isn't going to be an easy path. Lots of up and down through here. But again, maximum up to that level. But we could see denial at each and every one of these resistance levels. Okay, guys. So that's what to be looking out for the bullish case. Bearish case would be, something to look out for is that we do see that denial off these levels, right? Where, we either come up and, hit this level again and we get denied. We don't want to go back below that yellow line, guys. Okay, that yellow line is key for us right now. We come back up here, we get denied at that level. We don't want to get back below that yellow line, guys. Okay, so each and every time we come up to these resistance levels, we want to see previous support held. Okay, so we came up, we got denied off this. We want to see this level of support held. If we come up here and we get denied off that, we want to see this level held as support. Similar situation right here, guys. So that's the way we want to work up the stairs there. We start losing our levels that we flip from resistance into support, and we start losing those. That's a bad look right there, guys. Okay, so that's what to keep your eyes on today. Get these levels on your charts. Keep your eyes on these levels. That's what you want to see held as support and resistance there, guys, on these lower time frames. Let's jump over to our daily view, see what we have going on here real quick. Bring this out to our daily chart. And again, similar situation here, guys. Not too much has changed on the daily chart, really just some sideways action. Remember here, guys, we have our ascending level of support right here, okay? And we want to see this level broken right here, guys, at this level. Okay, so this is our daily resistance. That's at approximately 39.6. We get above kind of this, descending pattern right here. That would be at about 39.8. We come up straight to this level. That's at about 40,009. So those are our daily views that we're looking at right there, guys. So if you enjoyed the video today, throw a like, throw a comment. Thanks for watching today, guys.